Hi, I am Jessica. For many years I have wanted to go to Cartagena. So I am going to travel to Cartagena. I am going to go in June. I am going to go with my sister. I will visit the World City, Rosario Island, San Felipe de Barajas Castle, the Clock Tower, the Cathedral, the Historical Museum, Caribbean Naval Museum, the Gethsemane Quarter by Bridge, the Jacking Trails. In short, I will try to know the place that are possible for me. I am going to stay at my alcohol house. I am going to wear a lot of clothes because I know I am going to go to alone. I am going driving 5 million because I know there will be many places and maybe I want something. I am going to see the sunrise and sunset. I am going to walk through the narrow strip of the walled city. I am going to see the full color architecture of the city. I am going to see the color house in the Gethsemane neighborhood. I am going to be on the beach and I'm going hiking. At the end of my vacation, I am going to buy many gifts for my family and friends. Thanks.